Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. So today I'm about to go run some errands. I'm about to put this on my lips because they are really dry. I'm always starting out the vlog showing you guys what I'm going to put on my lips today. I feel like it's a cool way to show the lippy of the day. So I'm just doing chapstick today from Versed. I'm about to go to Ikea with my mom. I haven't been in forever. Kylie's coming with us because she's still home. She's better now, but whenever you're sick from school, you have to stay home an extra day usually. So anyway, she's hanging out with us today, so it's like a girls' day. Something's in my eye. Whew. I'm in the back of the house right now because there's like some commotion in the front. All right guys, so we're about to head out. I just put on a lip balm. Okay, so we're going to Ikea. Super excited. I haven't been to Ikea in a little while.
What's Ikea?
Ikea.
What's Ikea?
Ikea is like a furniture store.
Breakfast today? Breakfast.
I would like a house like this. It's a nice house.
Yeah, that's what Lucian closes.
It's a nice room because you have the desk here. And that's a horrible computer. Why? Like, why? Look, Mommy, it's fake. Oh, Mommy, check this out. Come here, Mommy. This is so weird. Like, look, the shower, you just... Look at this small TV, guys. It's like Miniland.
Uh-huh.
Like, okay, guys, come here. Look, it's Planetopia.
How do you look?
Grandma, come here.
This is nice.
Look, guys, I found a cabinet. Ooh, Mommy, look. Look, I found some other stuff, Mommy. Look, Mommy.
Oh, cool.
You just said oh cool 2 times.
It is cool. It's a nice dinner set.
Look, Mommy, it's like a cooler.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool. And they have a washing room over there, guys.
Oh, this is nice too. This is a vibe.
This is a nice dining room or kitchen.
I like this. Callie's having the time of her life in here. Callie's really enjoying this Ikea setup. I could do salad bowls. We're at Raymore Flanagan. My mom's getting a couch.
We're at Panera.
And we're waiting.
We're at Panera.
I'm waiting.
We're at Panera, guys.
A Panera?
Yeah, and we ordered this couch at Panera, and now we have like a fancy couch at Panera.
This is not the one she got, but the one I'm sitting on right now is really nice. And it looks really nice for like downstairs in my living room. So I'll show you guys. It's like this, and it has a lot of seating. These couches, usually you can customize them. It doesn't have to be exactly like how it is in the store. So I saw a few that I really liked. This is just one of them. And this is shit on Happy Face. At Panera Bread, about to have lunch. I got a Mediterranean salad and a Greek salad Mediterranean sandwich, and Callie got mac and cheese. Ew. Hey y'all, so we're home now. I'm just chilling on the couch. I have a ton of work staring at me on my laptop. So I need to get some stuff done, but we had a very fun little girls outing. Yeah, so let me show you guys what I picked up at Ikea. I didn't show you I don't think I showed y'all what I got, but I got basically something for the back of my filming setup. So I ended up getting the mom dresser. I got 2 of these to put side by side. They're sold out of the long one, so I decided to just go with 2 of the shorter ones, and that way I can have a nice setup. So these are the boxes. I'm gonna try to put them together right now because I'm impatient. So don't look at my hair, y'all. My hair is looking crazy. But I just made myself some coffee. Just made some hot. Whoa! I promise you that is from me opening those boxes, girl. See, I was using my right hand to open the boxes. So, open one of the boxes. I'm gonna get started on that. I'm probably gonna watch something. I'm just gonna put some background stuff on TV. I don't even know what. Maybe I'll put on, let's see, maybe a holiday movie because holiday spirit, you know. If I get bored of it, which I probably will at some point, I'll put on YouTube vlog. I'll put on somebody's Vlogmas because I find that to be way more entertaining. The thing is, I like to usually like lay at night. I have my little routine with Vlogmas where I lay at night and I'll 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Vlogmases in a row before going to bed. I'm happy Vlogmases are usually like 15 minutes because I could actually watch, you know, so many. Instructions. I think I'm gonna go through the instructions. It says that I need a screwdriver, pointer, pencil, a hammer. Is that a drill? Gosh, they're asking for a lot. I low-key high-key don't feel like doing this at all, you guys. Like, I'm not in the mood, but at the same time I want it up and work and ready to and running. Okay, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Okay. So update, it's been about 2 hours, you guys. I thought I was quicker at this stuff, but I guess I'm not. It's been 2 hours, but I did do 2 in 2 hours. So I guess if it was 1 hour, I would have been okay. Anyways, whatever. So I did these 2, just the bodies, and I'm gonna do the drawers next. I figured I would do the bodies together, that way I could get that out of the way. They're gonna be going back here where I have the single one right now. They're a little lower, which I think is going to look better, especially when I, you know, display stuff on there. That one's just too tall, and also it's like skinny and it doesn't really look good in my opinion. So in terms of like on video. So yeah, I am going to work on that tonight because I am super ambitious and I want to try to finish everything today. So yeah, let's see if we could make that happen tonight, finish everything. Many hours later, we are finished. Many hours later, you guys, finally finished this project. It took hours, y'all, but we are done. I think it looks great though. I can't wait to decorate it and use it for like my video background. So I love it. Side note, I have to go through all this stuff. These are the old drawers. I have to go through them and kind of sort through everything here. So that's another project for maybe later or maybe tomorrow. So yeah, y'all, I am looking rough. So oh gosh, what are we doing here? Okay, I have to put the camera down somewhere because I don't want to hold it. All right, y'all, so obviously I finished the behind. It looks amazing. I love the new height. I think my hair is just everything's just anyways, Johnny is cooking tonight. He's making chicken, rice and beans, and salad. He's using the air fryer in case you hear that. So we have Chef Johnny tonight. But anyways, I love the background. I think it looks so much better because you can actually see, like when I'm filming, the camera would be like right here, my other camera. I mean, it's gonna look different because this camera, the other camera looks different. But I think you can see so much better compared to how it looked before. It just did not look good to me. Like, it was just really bothering me. because it was just not even. It was just not what I wanted. So I'm really happy. I do want to pick out some pieces to decorate the back here, obviously, because you know I'm extra and it's totally not necessary, but you know. So yeah, I definitely want to, I'm gonna look online for some pieces. I have a few in mind already that I saved that I really like, so it's a matter of picking them up. And I also want to get some books to put back here, like, you know, coffee table books, but I'm gonna have them on here, just make it a nice little office space, because it's an open concept with my living room. I definitely wanted to look really, like, I wanted to coordinate well with the rest of the space. Also, I just uploaded a vlogmas, so definitely go like, comment, and subscribe. I am doing giveaways during vlogmas. I mentioned that when I first started, but I never really mentioned it again. But basically, I will be picking winners. Definitely comment under every single video to increase your chances of being a winner. Also, follow me on Instagram if you have Instagram, and share my videos, share the vlogmas videos and stuff like that. You guys are so supportive though, like in general, you guys are the best. You guys are super supportive, such a positive community that we have, and I really love it. It's just great to see so many positive women here in our community. And you guys, like, I love seeing when you guys interact with each other in the comments. It's just really cool because I'm like, oh wow, we're all friends. I really love seeing that. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, but I really do like seeing that because it's like, oh my gosh, like we're all friends, you know. So, and I know a lot of you guys see each other in the comment section every week, every time I upload, and you're kind of getting to know each other too, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like I'm rambling. I'm just waiting for dinner. I'm gonna have dinner with some wine and basically start thinking about how I'm gonna organize these drawers. I might get organize it at, oh, what the hell was that? I might get organizers, like dividers for the drawers, which I should just pick those up at Ikea because they did have them at Ikea, but I didn't. So I want to get like organizers to kind of divide things up and make it look neat, because I want things to be very neat. Maybe if I could find some on Amazon or something like that. I'll compare the price to Ikea, because if it's cheaper at Ikea, I will most definitely go right back to Ikea and pick them up there. Okay, period. Because sometimes Amazon be tripping. Okay, they be tripping. I feel like in the past year Amazon has raised some of their prices and it's not cute. Anyways, I'm about to go on CB2, Crate and Barrel, Anthropology, Target, H&M Home, and anywhere else that I think, West Elm, everywhere that I like getting decor from, to see what I can find for the background. You saw Johnny? It's Johnny right there.